Hey there, entrepreneurs and dreamers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about scaling your business and making it big, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. And subscribe for more tips that could change the game for you. All right, let's get into it. Scalability. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? Well, it's not just about bigger profits. If you're only thinking about making money with your business, you're missing the point. You're like a hamster running in a wheel, chasing that carrot, but never actually getting it. Let's break it down. Everyone's chasing their dreams, but few grasp the true essence of the journey. It's not merely about hard work, it's about smart work. It's about knowing when to pivot, when to push forward, and when to take a step back. It's about recognizing that the journey holds as much value as the destination. It's not just about grinding, it's about scaling your efforts. You need to optimize your time, resources, and network. You need to create systems that function even in your absence. That's the key to lasting success. That's how you transform a small spark into a blazing fire. It begins with a single idea, a single step, and then it grows. It grows because you nurture it, feed it, and shield it from forces that could snuff it out. That's how you create something that endures beyond the initial hype and makes a lasting impact. It's about generating value that surpasses trends, building a brand that earns trust and respect. It's about making a difference, not just making money. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not about instant success or immediate rewards. It's about the long haul, the late nights, the early mornings, and the countless hours of dedication and hard work. This is about playing the long game, putting in the effort, and building something you can be genuinely proud of. It's about setting goals, making plans, and executing them with precision and passion. It's about resilience, perseverance, and unwavering commitment. It's about impact, not just income. It's about the lives you touch, the communities you uplift, and the positive change you bring to the world. It's about using your success to make a difference, to inspire others, and to leave a lasting legacy. It's about building a legacy, not just wealth. It's about creating something that will endure, something your children and grandchildren will be proud of. It's about leaving a mark on the world that will be remembered long after you're gone. So, if you're ready to elevate your game, to break free from the ordinary and build something truly extraordinary, then get ready. This journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. It's time to take the leap, embrace the challenge, and start building your dream. We're about to dive deep into the essence of scalability and uncover the secrets to sustainable, impactful growth. Together, we'll explore the strategies, mindsets, and tools you need to turn your vision into reality. Let's get started. Now, scalability. What does that really mean? Sure, in the traditional sense, it's how much your business can grow without hitting a wall. But it's not just about the size of your profits or how many zeros you can add to your bank account. Scalability is about growing your potential, your business's potential, your personal potential, and the world around you. It's about waking up each day thinking, what's next? Because you can see your business expand, not just in size, but in possibility. And guess what? The real fuel behind scalability is not profits, it's motivation. And I'm not talking about some get inspired and change the world motivational speech that makes you want to throw up. No, I'm talking about the kind of motivation that gets you out of bed and into action. The kind that says, wow, this could be something huge, let's take this to the next level. I mean, come on, if you're not at least slightly obsessed with what your business could become, then you might be in the wrong field. Here's the thing, a lot of entrepreneurs, especially newbies, get caught in the money trap. And it's tempting, I get it. Money makes the world go round, right? But focusing solely on profits can be a one-way ticket to burnout, confusion, and disappointment. If you're constantly obsessed with the dollars and cents, you'll end up chasing after short-term wins, ignoring the long-term vision, and losing sight of what really matters. And let's be real, how many of you thought, once I hit X amount of money, I'll be happy, and then didn't feel happy when you got there? Yeah, exactly. If you're motivated by profits alone, you'll find that money never fills the void you're trying to fix. It just buys nicer shoes and fancier dinners until your bank account empties again. Pause. Comment below if you've fallen into this trap too. I know I've been there. The real power of scalability comes from vision. It's about setting goals that scare you a little. Actually, scratch that. It's about setting goals that terrify you. Like, I can't even believe I'm saying this out loud, kind of goals. And you know what happens when you aim high? You get better. Your business gets better. You find new ways to adapt and improve. Now, I'm not saying don't aim for profits. Obviously, profits are important. But profits should be a byproduct of your drive and your purpose. If you're doing something that really moves the needle and makes a difference, the money will follow. It's the cherry on top, not the whole damn cake. Segment 4. The controversial bit. Should you really be motivated by passion? Here's a little controversial tidbit for you. Passion isn't enough to scale your business. Gasp, I know. Sure, passion will get you started. But it's strategy, execution, and relentless improvement that will keep you in the game long enough to scale. If you're clinging to the idea that passion will get me through, you might just be setting yourself up for failure. Sure, passion is nice, but if you're not learning how to build systems, make smart decisions, and keep moving forward, all the passion in the world isn't going to save you. So go ahead, drop your comments below and tell me I'm wrong, but think about it. Section 6. Strategy and sweat. Building a scalable machine. You have the vision, you have the motivation, but how do you transform these into a thriving, scalable business? Now it's time to build the machine that will turn your dreams into reality. This machine is not just a metaphor, it's a combination of strategy, systems, and people working in harmony. This is where strategy and execution come into play. Your strategy should be clear, actionable, and adaptable. It should guide your team and align with your long-term goals. A scalable business requires a solid foundation. This foundation is built on robust infrastructure, reliable systems, and a clear organizational structure. You need the right systems, processes, and workflows in place. These systems should be designed to handle growth and adapt to changes in the market. And people in place to support your growth. Your team is your most valuable asset. Invest in their development, foster a collaborative culture, and ensure everyone is aligned with your vision. This means investing in technology, building a strong team, and creating an environment where innovation thrives. Technology can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and provide valuable insights. Constantly optimizing your operations is crucial. Regularly review your processes, seek feedback, and be willing to make necessary adjustments. Optimization is an ongoing process that drives continuous improvement. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. In the early stages, you might find yourself wearing many hats and tackling various challenges. This hands-on experience is invaluable. The early days of building a business are all about hustle and hard work. It's a time of learning, growth, and laying the groundwork for future success. But as you grow, you need to be able to delegate, automate, and empower your team. Delegation allows you to focus on strategic decisions, while automation can handle repetitive tasks. Systematize your operations to achieve true scalability. Create processes that are repeatable and scalable, ensuring your business can grow without compromising quality or efficiency. All right, let me hit you with this one final point. When you shift your focus from profits to impact, you start to scale your business in a way that's not just financially rewarding but personally fulfilling. How do you want to be remembered? As the person who chased money, or the one who created something that made a real difference? When your business goals are aligned with something bigger, something that inspires you, it will feel less like work and more like a mission. And guess what? The profits? They'll come in spades. Chapter 7. Never stop climbing. Entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be highs and lows, triumphs and challenges. Embrace the journey of continuous improvement. Keep learning, keep experimenting. Always push the boundaries of what's possible. The world is ever-changing, and you must be adaptable and innovative to stay ahead. Find mentors and advisors to guide you. Surround yourself with people who inspire you to think bigger and bolder. View failure as a chance to learn. The only true failure is giving up. So here's the takeaway. Scalability in business isn't about chasing money. It's about chasing your vision, your mission, and creating something that can grow beyond you. When you're motivated by that, by making a real difference, you'll have the fuel you need to tackle bigger projects, face challenges head-on, and grow your business in ways you never imagined. Now let me know what you think in the comments. Do you agree with me, or am I totally off base? Like I said, I'm ready to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you found this video helpful, or even a little controversial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Catch you next time with more wisdom to share. Section 8. Finding your why. In the journey of entrepreneurship, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle for profits and growth. But today, we want to take a step back and focus on something even more profound: the impact you can make. Now, let's circle back to the heart of it all: impact. Impact is not just a buzzword. It's the essence of why many of us started our businesses in the first place. It's about creating value that goes beyond the bottom line. What kind of difference do you want to make in the world? This question is fundamental. It drives your mission, shapes your vision, and fuels your passion. Think about the legacy you want to leave behind. How will your business leave a positive mark on your customers, your community, or even the planet? Consider the ripple effect of your actions. Every decision you make can contribute to a larger cause. When you prioritize impact over income, something magical happens. Your business transforms from a mere profit-making entity to a force for good. This shift in focus can lead to unexpected and rewarding outcomes. Your work becomes more than just a job. It becomes a mission that inspires you to wake up every morning with a sense of purpose and drive. It's about being part of something bigger than yourself. You attract passionate customers who believe in your vision. These customers are not just buying a product or service, they are buying into your mission. They become advocates and ambassadors for your brand. You build a team that's united by a common purpose, a team that is motivated, engaged, and committed to the cause. This unity fosters a strong company culture and drives collective success. Let it guide your decisions. Every strategic move, every new initiative should be aligned with your core mission. This alignment ensures that your business stays true to its values and goals. Let it be the driving force behind your business. Your why should be the compass that directs your path, the fuel that powers your journey, and the light that guides you through challenges. When you focus on making a real difference, the financial rewards will follow naturally. Success becomes a byproduct of your dedication to impact. So, find your why, let it inspire you, and watch as your business flourishes in ways you never imagined. Section 9. Legacy over loot. What will you leave behind? In the grand scheme of things, the size of your bank account won't matter as much as the legacy you leave behind. What will people remember you for? What impact will your work have on the world long after you're gone? Building a scalable business is about more than just making money. It's about creating something that outlasts you, something that makes a real difference in the world. It's about building a legacy that you can be proud of. So dream big, hustle hard, and never lose sight of the impact you want to make. The world is waiting for you to leave your mark.